Oh, it's on. Episode 28 is on.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
It's like Donkey Kong.
Welcome. Episode 28, Ultra RC Hobbies Show. I'm
Yes.
Aaron. Hey, we did it right this
We
time.
did it right.
High five.
Good
Very nice.
job.
Yeah. So today we're going to talk more about our toy grade RC, and we're going to do some durability testing. We're going to do some speed, and we're also going to do some range.
I want to smash it.
He just wants to smash
I
it.
want
So
to smash it.
just as an FYI, we're going to do some durability testing. Maybe down some stairs, because that's what we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
Maybe doing down some stairs and see how she lasts.
Maybe we'll see how it does with collisions with other RC vehicles.
He's just rude. Oh yeah, and we got a couple comments that people would
Want
like to see lipo fire. I told you no. Told everyone no.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it in your house.
Yeah, I'll do it. Like, I'll just do it myself. You don't even need to be there. I'll set up in an
Danger.
open area, in a safe area, and I'm gonna stab some lipos. What size of lipo should we do? To see what we have in the back.
Yeah,
2 cell,
a
4
couple.
cell.
We should just do 2 cell.
Grab your
Or
brand new 6 cell from your UDR. Let's try that.
No,
Oh, fine.
no, that's terrible. Okay, well, let's get right into it. This episode's probably gonna be long because this thing is pretty slow.
True.
But yeah, let's just get right into it. Episode 28.
So we tested out the distance on the toy grade RC, and it looks like it does not well at all. Whereas with the hobby grade stuff, you have about a 1/4 mile range, approximately that. This guy had maybe less than 1/8 mile, maybe 80 feet, 100 feet. So it's not amazing. So there's a big difference right there too.
Now we're gonna do a push off. See who's better, the Slash or the old toy grade RC.
You got some pretty good tires on that old toy grade.
Oh, buddy, she has no power though. We'll see how this goes. Fully charged battery on the toy grade. Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's full bore. That's full bore.
Oh, you're beating me. Oh, no. Wait, I gotta go forward, right?
So we got her kind of stuck in the cabbage and you can't get it out. So let's see if we can use some sweet maneuvers to get this thing out. Maybe we need Chris to pull us out here.
I'll smash you out of there.
I don't know, Deaver, I can't.
Aaron, you know, I'm not gonna let you make it to that garbage can over there.
Well, I'm halfway there, bro. It's gonna take me 20 minutes because she's pretty slow and on 3 wheels because she broke the wheel off.
We'll give you some
And the mirror,
smashes.
he broke the mirror,
Oh.
so I can't see where I'm going anymore.
All your
This is
scale
trash.
items are falling off.
I know, right?
Oh no!
Yeah, so we're gonna try and do this, and we'll see how long the 3-legged Dodge can make it.
The Ram wins!
Oh yeah, we're ripping. We're ripping. Yeah, it's ripping. Turn so poorly. Go, Dad, go!
Run! Run!
How'd you know? No, it's all good.
So we're gonna run over this car with a real size vehicle, just for fun, you know. I think we've gotten to the point where the vehicle is broken past the point of fixing it. So we're just at the point of just wrecking things now.
Carnage is what's left. That's it. Oh, it's impressive. Oh, that was amazeballs.
That was good. I'm happy with the results. I drove over something in the truck today. Effort today. Someone broke my toy.
Chris, you broke your own toy, you jerk. It didn't last.
It definitely did not.
The hard body just kind of imploded on
Yeah,
itself.
who would have known that driving over it with a vehicle would really break it to that point?
I knew.
Why? We thought we were locked up, but we weren't. We got you.
Got you good.
If anyone's looking for a 110 scale Dodge Ram 1500 taillight lens, come see us. We've got one right here.
Stuff's still falling off.
Slight cracking, but still like mint. She's gonna be minty, you know. I think we can fix this with a garbage can.
Well, it didn't really make it.
We broke it.
So yeah. So let's fix it. Should we go buy parts on the track stall to fix it?
Aaron, I'm gonna tell you something right now. I don't think we can fix this. I think this is toy grade. But it still turns.
Still turns, man. We're mint. Like we still have one decent tire. It's not even.
True.
Oh no, this is the broken one.
Oh. Well, this one's still good right here. Look, the tire just came.
Oh, I found the remote. Sweet.
The body is still attached in the front, just like mostly.
Hey man, while we're in here, you might as well check what kind of
There's the
specs she
batteries.
has.
Look at these. We can get a full build breakdown on this piece right now. Let's just get this out of here.
Yeah, let's get that out of the way. Yeah, we're good.
Yep.
Okay, so there's our full build breakdown. So on the inside of this, it has little like 16660s.
Are those LiPo batteries? No, they're 16660s, aren't they? No,
Uh-huh.
they're smaller than that.
3.2 volt,
Single cell lithium
Yeah.
ion?
probably. Yeah, lithium ion.
Lithium ion batteries.
Yeah.
Yep.
So out of that, they lasted. So I charged it for 4 hours before filming this,
Yeah.
and we got 14-ish minutes of
Maybe
playtime,
about
if
that.
we're lucky.
At a blistering speed, right?
Yeah, it was fast. It's
Yeah.
so fast. But yeah, that was the end of it. Sadly,
Good finish.
it was fun. I'm not gonna lie.
We should do this more often.
Yeah, this is probably one of the most fun episodes since.
How about this? If you guys have any like old RCs just kicking around, like that you don't want anymore, bring them by the shop. We'll just smash the crap out of it. We'll put it on our
We'll dispose of them properly.
Yeah, we'll dispose of them properly. So there's a good thing right there.
Yeah. But yeah, that was episode 28 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show. And remember, we were doing the RC hobby grade versus toy grade.
I think the toy grade lost.
Yeah. Yeah. I've seen a Slash get run over by a full-size monster
And
truck.
survive.
Well, it was like a C-hub,
Yeah.
a chassis, and maybe a shock. Like a shock shaft.
Or shaft. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty common.
It cost the guy $45 to fix, and it was away again. So this essentially cost us $90, and now we have to go buy another one for $90.
Are you telling me we can't just return this?
No, I don't think so.
We still have the box.
I don't think that's how it works. But yeah, thanks for watching episode 28. Hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more stuff like this, just remember, post down below in the comment
Let us
section.
know.
And yeah, thanks again for watching.
Like,
Don't
comment,
forget
and subscribe.
what he said.
Yeah.
Share with all your friends on Facebook so they can see this awesome video, and you can kind of warn them not to maybe buy a toy grade and maybe save up a couple bucks extra and buy a hobby grade with all these awesome parts. So thanks again for watching. Until next Friday, again at 7 o'clock.
Yes.
See you there.